Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm excited to share with you a way to create and manage Facebook pixels to track events on your website. Facebook recently made some changes to the way events manage in ad managers. I'll guide you through this update. Previously, to create a new Facebook pixel, you should navigate to the data sources and set up a new pixel from there. This method has been used for years. However, Facebook has now introduced a new system. Instead of creating a pixel, you can now create a data set. To find this new option, go to Data Source and look for Data Sets. Here you'll see the pixels you've created in the past, which now have been moved to this section. You can no longer create pixels under the old method. Instead, you'll manage everything through Data Sets. To create a pixel, now called Data Sets, click on Add. You will see a new window that prompts you to create a new data set. Enter the name of the data set, for example, my new data set, and click Create. This new data set will have a unique ID similar to the old Pixel ID, which you can use anywhere. To install the new data set on your website, follow these steps. Number 1, go back to Add Assets and add data sets to your ad account. This allows you to track the events from your ads. Number 2, you're going to click on Done. Number 3, once you're done, you're going to open the data set in the Events Manager. The process of setting up a Facebook pixel can vary slightly depending on the platform you're using. All right, now we're going to go ahead and set up the data set on WordPress. Number 1, the method for gathering events, browser activity, server conversion API, mobile app data, or data from speed sheets. Number 2, for this example, we'll use the browser activity method. Click on Setup Metapixel. Number 3, select Install Code manually.
For most platforms, maybe if you're using Get Response System and the likes, you just need to copy the ID and paste in the section provided by the platform.
Number 5, you're going to go into WordPress dashboard, install the WP Code plugin. Or similar plugins that will allow you to add codes to your header and footer and activate it. Number 6, head to the code snippet. Header and footer, paste the code into the header section and save changes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on advanced matching and continue. Check if your pixel is working by going to the pixel overview and refreshing the page. You should see activity if it's working correctly. Now we're going to create a custom event. So we're going to go to Setting, Event Setup, and open Event Setup tool. Enter the URL for the page you want to track and open the website. Number 3, we're going to assign event-specific buttons or actions. For example, you can track the lead events whenever someone submits a form.
And I'll just keep this review. Let me go ahead and fill this form so that we can test what we've done. So let's say I'll just enter a name and then email address and then click submit. Now, if I come back to Events Manager and then click on Test Events, you are going to see that our pixel is reporting a lead right here, and everything is working the way we configured it to now. Anytime you go on to create an ad and you select this particular pixel, you'll be able to optimize your ad for lead event specifically from this button. And I think that's a very good way for you to choose the kind of results you want when setting up your app. Also, in terms of tracking, Facebook will only report people who successfully submit this form as leads for you. So this process can actually help you get more precise results from your campaigns. So in this video, you've seen the new way to create a new Facebook pixel. And I've also shown you how to install this pixel on your website. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section,
Now there you have it. We've covered the new way to create and manage Facebook Pixel, now known as data sets. I've also shown you how to install and configure these on your website. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. And thank you guys for making it at the end of this video.